Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Susila Pratiwi. I'm from Biology Education, Class A 2019. I made a video about environmental issue with the topic of damage the ozone layer. Improving practice in speaking in English with supporting lecturer Ms. Rukoya Nasution from Faculty Teacher Training and Education at Mulawaman University. Lately, the ozone layer is often discussion. What the cause of the ozone layer is often discussion? Yes, lately the ozone layer has been discussion because the ozone layer is a very closely related to global warming, which is a topic international discussion today. Even the ozone layer is touted as the path to global warming that has occurred today. Whether damaged ozone layer can cause global warming? Damage to the ozone layer does not cause global warming directly, but description of ozone affects the circulation of the Earth's atmosphere. Within the ozone layer, it has been decided that the ozone layer is the Earth's atmosphere, so we can find this ozone layer in atmosphere too. Ozone gas in the Earth's atmosphere are represented in two layers, namely its troposphere and in the stratosphere. Do you know what causes thinning and damage to the ozone layer today? Yes, I know. It just turn on the depletion and damage that causes in the ozone layer. It's caused by various gas originating from Earth, namely from industrial and household activity. Gas from industrial and household activity. I remember from some gas. CPC gas is very with us. Is there any relation between CPC gas and ozone layer damage? Yeah, because the ozone layer depletion process began to be known when science declaration that CPC that very easy to produce called be fossil and a threat to the ozone layer. Really? Because CPC gas is also a whole human in life, like hairdryer and AC. Therefore, we must limit to us of hairdryer and AC. Yeah, that's right. We have to limit us of a CPC. Before that, how CPC gas process can make ozone layer damage? When released into the atmosphere, CPC as substance containing chlorine will be softened by sunlight. The sunlight can cause chlorine to cause an reaction. The reaction can destroy ozone molecule. Every single molecule of CPC can destroy 1,000 ozone molecule. This can automatically make the ozone layer increasingly thin and damaged. So the CPC gas process can destroy the ozone layer? Yeah, but it's not the CPC gas that to the ozone layer. There are few other gas, only CPC gas are very easy to process. What happens when the ozone layer is thin and breakdowns? Very dangerous to human life and its surroundings. Damage and depletion the ozone layer can cause global warming, skin cancer and cataract in humans, weaken the body immunity so that often hard, destroy or damage agricultural and marine land that melt from polar ice caps and reaching water to the surface. Well, it's very dangerous. Its overall layer is attaining a damage. Right. Therefore, we must prefer or overcome damage and depletion of the ozone layer. Do you know how to deal with the prevent the ozone layer from thinning and damage? Yeah, I know how to prevent depletion and damage to the ozone layer, namely by 1. Elimination to the OSBPO, ozone depleting substances. 2. Reduce the use of preferred vehicles. 3. Integrate agriculture. Avoid asphyxiation. 4. Assay and hair dryer as needed. 5. Turn off light or electric after hours. Do not leave in hours on or standby. 6. Paint as natural color. Motivation today. Never stop reading because life never stop teaching. Get ready for now. The future or the preparing today. Don't give up. Keep spirit and optimism. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. And my authors we have shall be beneficial for all us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.